Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 8 update with Anita. So how's it going, Anita?
Well, it was one of those weeks where a little bit of normal life got in the way.
Okay, so what is normal life?
Well, things getting together with family was a holiday weekend,
Yeah.
and that got in the way. But that's the week.
okay. So did you lose any weight or gain any weight?
I gained a couple pounds
So
overall.
how much do you weigh so far? Like today, as of today?
205.
5. But how much total weight did you lose so far?
22.
22. So it's still not bad. 22 pounds in 8 weeks, right? Do you think like you can hit your goal in week 10,
Oh,
like
yes.
14 days from today? Like,
Yeah.
why you have the confidence? Like,
Because I have the tools, and even having gained weight this week,
Yeah.
I have the tools, and I even was able to put some of them into play,
Yeah.
so that it wasn't so much damage.
Yeah.
And now I have the tools. I feel I can get back on track quite easily, and
Yeah.
plow ahead.
That's right. And that's why we're not only focusing on the weight every single week, but focusing more and learning more.
Yes.
Right. So did you learn anything so far, like for the last week or?
Oh,
Yeah.
I've been learning so much every week.
Yeah.
I just think how much more can I cram into my head?
Yeah.
But it's such an impetus to want to stick with this, because I'm learning the reasons why and why
Right.
it's important and how things work in our bodies. So
That's right.
it's been very, very good. I feel very equipped.
That's right. Yeah. So like even once in a while, like if you are not on track or gain some weight, like we are not worried too much about that, right? Because we know how to get back on track, right? So,
That's right.
And this is that's why people when they follow specific diet and start gaining some weight, like they will be so worried about gaining back all the weight. But in your case, like you feel very comfortable about and confidence about losing or continuing to think your goal, right?
Mhm. Oh, yeah.
That's very good. That's very good. Yeah, so I look forward to have a follow-up interview next week, and hopefully we'll see some good results.
Oh yes, I think so.
Very good. Thank you.